To download Mobirise, go to the official website and run the installation file that you downloaded. Choose a website theme, such as Start M5, and click on the plus button located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Drag and drop the blocks that you need, then click on the blocks to edit them. You can change the text, adjust the width of the blocks, change the color, add images and links, and adjust the number of elements. To see what your site looks like on mobile devices, click on the corresponding button at the top. Click on the Preview button to see what your site looks like in the browser. When everything is ready, click on the Publish button. With Mobirise, creating your own website has never been easier. Download it today and get started on your website.